So, how do you use the TI-84 or a graphics calculator to solve these kind of problems? They can do it. Instead of using what we did before, the three equations and the elimination method, and you can do that, but there's so many places to make mistakes, and it's so cumbersome that, of course, technology has to do it. So I've waited to show this to you, but let's see how the calculator will do it. So first of all, I used an example out of the book. Got 3 points, point A, B, and C. The very first thing we have to do, of course, is make our equations. We have to plug the equations into the general form, ax squared plus bx plus c. So we have to make the equations first. So I plugged in 5 squared is 25, 5 and 1 equals 6. I plugged in 7 squared is 49, 7, 1 equals 10. And I plugged in 9 squared is 81, 9 and 1, okay? So what I do is the calculator doesn't take variables, but it holds numbers in things called matrices, okay? So I make a matrix. All of these matrices are just the numbers without the variables. So 25, 5, 1, 49, 7, 1, 81, 9, 1. That's matrix A. In fact, I probably ought to put the matrix thing in here. You'll see it in the calculus, this little symbol like that. And then I made the same thing on matrix B, which is the answer matrix of the 6, 10, and 0. That's matrix B. They're called matrices. Matrices are just kind of like, boxes that hold numbers. What do we do with these boxes? What do we do with these numbers? So we let the calculator solve this problem by doing the following, okay? So on your calculator, there's a matrix button. It's right here, but it's blue. So the first thing you have to do is you have to hit second matrix, blue button, second matrix, and then here are the matrices, okay? We want to edit. Edit means to change or create. So I'm going to go over to edit, to create. So I push edit, and then enter. All right, now I need a 3 by 3 matrix because I have 3 rows and 3 columns. So I need a 3 by 3. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. It has 3 rows, 3 columns, so 3, enter, 3, enter. Now, it creates the box the correct size to put these numbers in. So I'm going to go and enter these numbers. So it says enter the data. So I'm going to enter 25, enter, 5, enter, 1, enter, 49, enter. I'm just putting the numbers in. 7, enter, 1, enter. I'll put 81, enter, 9, enter, 1, enter. Okay, great. Matrix A is now in the calculator. It will remember it, okay? So I need to also make matrix B. That's the answer matrix, so I'm going to go back to second matrix, which is in blue. So that's why I push the blue button, second matrix. And this time I need to edit B. Oops, hold on. Sorry about that. Second matrix. I'm going to edit B. Okay, so I go edit and B. So I edit B. I shift it down to matrix B. I push enter, okay? And that's a 3 by 1. It has 3 rows and 1 column. So I'll go ahead, 3 by 1, and I'm going to put in those numbers. I'm going to go 6, enter, 10, enter, 0, enter. And then once I have that made, I have an A in there, I have a B in there. Don't push clear. Don't push clear. Push quit, because I want to get out of it. Okay, push quit. It says quit, blue button, second, quit. Right there, quit. Okay, now, after I have all that, I want to go back into the matrix. So I want to find my matrix. So I go second matrix. A in the calculator is the one I made. B in the calculus, the one I made. This is what I need to have. I need to have this, to do the answer, I need to have this expression. It's called matrix A inverse times B. So I want to create that. So how do I do that? All right, so I'm right here. If I push A, I want to create this. I'm right there on names, okay, push enter. There's A. I need this inverse button, which is found right there, x negative 1. That's the button I need, x negative 1. So I push that button. Okay, and then I need the time symbol. This is times, this is times. So I put times. Looks just like that. And now I need matrix B. So where do I find matrix B? Well, matrix B, I go back into matrix, second matrix. I go down to B, on names, there's B, okay? Okay, I'm ready. If I push enter, I'll get the answers. Okay, there's the value of A, B, and C. So my calculator shows these values as A, B, and C. I get this negative 1.75. I get this 23 and negative 65.25. Okay, that is the value of A, B, and C. So A is equal to that, B is equal to that, and C is equal to that. So the original question was, find the equation of the parabola. I found A, B, and C. I have A, B, and C, so I rewrite A, negative 1.75x squared, plus B, which is 23x, minus C, which is negative 65.25. A lot easier than doing all of that. Okay, so that's what I have. Hopefully, if you want to review this, it's there. It's going to be in Canvas. Anytime you need to review it, you guys can watch it. Okay, that's all I have. Where did I put my treatment?